Okay, this is a video I wanted to do showing this off, but here's how you connect your Game Boy Advance to your GameCube and use it as a controller. First of all, you gotta make sure there's no game in the slot, otherwise it's not gonna work. So, what you do is you plug in your link cable, and then for the controller port, you may notice it's very cleverly, it has two dots right there, which basically signifies that you have to put it in the second controller port, because you have to have a GameCube controller plugged into the first port, because the GameCube controller obviously has more options, and pressing the Z button on the Game Boy player will bring up the little menu you could use to access everything. But anyways, so what you do is you don't plug this into the first controller port like I thought I had to. You plug it into the second one. And there you go. And basically to get it to register on your system, this is what you do. You just turn it on. Then just wait a bit. There we go. Now, obviously, it's not going to work for the actual menus and stuff, but this is why you keep another controller plugged in, because you press Z, then you go back to the game, and look at that. It's working. But yeah, basically the buttons work, the shoulder buttons work. Yeah, and that's pretty much how you use your Game Boy Advance as a controller for the Game Boy player. Thank you for watching.